Hello, I am Harjinder Singh. My student ID is 4331668. My college St. Lawrence Alpha Academy. In this video, we are going to cover the steps selling process. So let's start. First step is prospecting and qualifying. Second one, preparation and pre-approach. And third one is approach. Fourth, presentation. Fifth, overcoming objection. And sixth, closing the sale. And last one is follow up. Now we discuss about these 7 steps. And first step is prospecting and qualifying. A salesperson does complete research before planning any sale. Research is essentially to recognize the people or companies who could potentially be engaged by the product. This step is the foundation step for the rest of sales process. This step is called prospecting. A lead is potentially buyer. A qualified lead who is willing, ready and able to buy the product is the prospect. Move on. Second step. Step is pre-approach. In this step, a salesman's job is to find out the needs, preference, behavior, problem, etc. of the prospect. There are chances that according to the particular requirements of a customer, the product may need to be altered. After attaining sufficient information about the customer wishes, a salesman must develop his plan of sales interview or preparation. It is crucial that the salesman presentation should be in the alignment with the needs of prospect. The presentation should be enable the salesman to take care of the prospect smoothly through the entire buying the process. And third step is the approach. The next step, when the salesman come in the contact with the prospect face to face with the prospect is called approach. Approach has 2 parts, getting an interview and second one is the first contact. For this, he and she can choose the telephone introduction or reference of another customer and his and her business card. The salesman should have the ability to catch the attention of the prospect and get them interested in the product. It is inductively crucial to avoid being dismissed before the salesman can present the product. Moving on, 3 standard method of approach. First is premium approach. A salesman presents the potential client with a gift the very beginning of the interaction. And second, the question approach. In the order to get the prospect interested, the salesman should be asked a question. And third, the product approach. The prospect is given a free trial or a sample of the product so that they can evaluate and review the service. Fourth step, presentation. The buying process of the customer is very closely related to the sales presentation. The interest of a prospect can be increased through smart and lively sales talk with a proper demonstration by the salesman. Many times, a sales demonstration take the help of visual aids. This is quite a common phenomena for capital goods and machineries. It is important that the salesman find out customer reaction after correctly explaining the product feature and appreciate benefits. The customer should be satisfied with the end of the presentation. Now we go on step 5. Step 5 is objection. The prospect could at any stage of the sales interview try to delay the reset or purchase. An objection must be taken as a hint of how the mind of the prospect is operating. An intelligent salesman should welcome an objection, understand it correctly, and avoid the tactfully with the bickering with the customer. Step 6 is close. The act of getting consent of the prospect to buy the product is called close. All the effort that a salesman takes come together and present it as the pinnacle of the entire salesman process. It is the vital for a salesman to be alert and identify the right moment to close the deal. The right moment can be identified by watching every sign of the prospect, and there will be to why and then applying the close. Unless and until the product is in the hands of a customer, the sale is never considered complete. Depending on the kind of business, a salesman might try one of these two closing strategies. Extend might close. In order to seal the deal, the salesman offers something extra to attract them. For example, a discount or a free month of service. Second one is urgency. A feeling of urgency is produced by starting that time is of the essence. For initiates, the price will be going up after this month, or we only have 6 spots left. The final step is the follow up. Follow up the contact with the customer after a sale is obtained. After obtaining the order, the salesman arranges for dispatch and delivery, facilitate grant of credit, reassure the customer that is wise purchase decision and minimize dissatisfaction if there is any. In order to maintain the goodwill, salesman should get in touch with the customer. The follow-up is the crucially part that makes sure that the customer is satisfied, that customer can be retained. It can also be used as a prospect for new customers. Example of sale process is called V2C sale. Now talk about the example sales process for Boeing and Airbus is called aircraft manufacturer. Boeing or Airbus can be approached via passenger airline company with a set of requirement and ask them provide specific quotes. After starting a bidding war for the newly launched aircraft by Boeing or Airbus, whichever airline offer the best deal wins. Based on the what aircraft have been procured in the past, Boeing or Airbus can offer the airline responsible proposition that could be interesting to them. For instance, Aircraft Interior Expo in Hamburg, Germany is the world's biggest event. It is committed to the aircraft interior industry, connectivity in-flight entertainment, and passenger service. This is where Airbus showcased its latest cabin innovation in 2019. Airbus displayed the mock-ups for the latest, most advanced full-scale airscape cabin, the A320. Moreover, for instance, it depicted how the aircraft offered the best cabin experience in any small single aisle aircraft. It the day and night a premium concept was also featured for the A350 XWV. There was also a mock-up A30 upgrade service. The highlight of all was that virtual reality gears let vista experience all aircraft cabins. Finally, did you know? Sometimes a sales presentation by Boeing and Airbus can stretch up to 3 to 5 days. For sales pitches and demonstration, a team on behalf of the airline are flown down to Boeing or Airbus manufacturing location. Thank you.